Hi everyone, it's Nasteen, and we are here to solve another problem on SQL. So today is day 5 on solving 100 questions on SQL. So let's start. So I'm using the same platform, that is Strata Scratch, and I have put all the filters. That is, we are solving easy level questions currently, right? And we have solved 4 questions. Now we are on the fifth question, that is average salaries. And this question was got asked in Glassdoor and one more company. So let's see what the other company. So it is Salesforce. Okay, so let's start. So the question is compare each employee's salary with the average salary of the corresponding department. Output the department first name and salary of employees along with the average salary of the department. Okay, so what we have to do, let's first quickly see the table and then we will be able to understand better. So in this employee table, we have these columns: ID, first name, last name, age, sex, employee title, department, salary, target, bonus, and bonus, email, city. There are so many columns. Okay. So we do not need all of these columns. We need only few columns, and there is only one table that we have to use. And what we have to do, we have to print all the employee salary, their department, their first name, and we have to add one more column that will show that in that department, what is the average salary. Okay, so how we are going to solve this problem? So let's try to understand. So we have one table where we have ID, first name, department or that employee, and salary. Okay, if we had one more table where we had department and the average salary of that department, then what we can do, we will be able to merge those two tables or join those two tables based on the department column, right? So, but here we have only one table where we have only first name, department, and salary. We do not have average salary. So what we are going to do, we are going to create one virtual table where we will have department and their average salary. And then we are going to join these two tables and we are going to get our output. Let me show you how to do this. This is a very good question. So first of all, what do we need? We need each department's average salary. So for each department, there will be one row. So we are going to do what? We are going to do group by on the department, and then we are going to find out the average salary of each department. So let's quickly do it. Group by department. And what do we need? We need average salary. I'm going to name it as average salary. Average underscore salary. Okay, so let's see. It is taking some time. Okay, yeah. So we okay, let me put department as well. So now we have this table where we have department and the average salary of that department, right? So now what we need to do, we have this table and we have one more table that is employee, okay, where we have every employee's information with their department and their salary. So what do we need? We need employee, we need department, we need employee's first name, we need salary of that employee and the average salary of that department. Okay, so now we are going to join these two tables. So to do that, I'm going to use CTE, that is common table expression, because I'm creating this virtual table. So let me put this inside CTE with CTE as, you can use any name. I'm comfortable with using CTE, that is why I use CTE all the time. Okay, and now so we have this table, CTE. I'm going to write down, let me show you how it is looking like. Select a star from CTE. It is the same table that we just generated. This one, okay? Now we are going to join this table with employee table. So let's write down the code. So I'm going to give this a name, join employee. Let's give this a name E on what? C dot department is equal to E dot department, right? Okay, so we have done this. Now what do we need? We need E dot department. We need E dot first name. We need E dot salary. And we need C dot average salary. Okay, let's run this. So this is what we have. So let's see whether we are getting the right output or not from the expected output. So in this, we have department, first name, salary, and the average salary, and we are getting the same columns. But here it is ordered. So let's order it. Order by dot department. Okay, so we have this. So now we have same rows, okay, properly aligned. And this is our query, and we got the table. Okay, so this is a very good question. Here we need to think what we actually need and how we get to the solution. And here we use common table expression because it helps us to create a virtual table. Okay, because we do not have the information regarding average salary. So we created one along with on the basis of the department, right? So this is how you approach these kind of questions. And if you do not know about common table expression, do not worry. I have one video available on my channel. I will put the link in the description. You can go through it. And so that is all about this video. I hope you understood it. If you have any question, you can write it down in the comment section. If you have more solution to this problem, you can write down in that comment section too. And if that's all. So if you like this video, keep liking. Not forget to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Take care. Bye-bye. Oh, sorry, we did not submit this. Okay, let's first submit this. So I'm going to click on check solution and our problem got submitted. I'm sorry, I did not do that. It's fine. So yeah, that's all. So have a nice day. Take care. Bye-bye.